Well, the government, of course, is totally committed to green growth, and we have a plan to get to net zero by 2050. And this site, which is not only magnificent to look at, but also the fact that it is a centre for low carbon energy, I think is absolutely brilliant.
It's fantastic. It's 6 months to COP. What better place to come and mark that milestone and show the importance of it, and just now how much we need to accelerate and push forward to deliver a really, really successful COP in Glasgow in November.
You're looking at the younger generation, as Mr. Sharma's doing, as I do every day. They're setting us a challenge. They're telling us that they want us to make the world more sustainable, to make it a better place, to improve the living environment. Picking the planet absolutely has to be what we do today. Everyone should be keeping that front of mind.
I have always championed the need for a physical COP. It is vital that developing countries are able to sit at the same table, face to face, with the larger countries, the big emitters.
I think the more people that we can get at the COP, the better. The more we're likely to see all the countries around the world shift and move together to protect and hit that 1.5 degrees, which is so critical to the future of tackling climate change. So having people here will make it much more successful.
And at Scottish Power, we're supporting volunteers, going along to support the activity, and we'll be doing so with all of the necessary precautions and requirements. The team at Scottish Power are passionate about our role on an everyday basis. I hear it from the guys in the team. We need to see that going forward into the COP.
Well, the big push for us now is other technologies, so hydrogen, looking at heat, looking at transport, going way beyond just generation of electricity. And then in addition to that, there's all the stuff we're doing internally around the way we behave as a company, the way we travel, the use of electric vehicles in our fleet. There's loads and loads for us to do and every other company to do on the route to net zero.
So we've been making plans for solar generation coming on board. That solar plant will be accompanied by an electrolyser that will help produce green hydrogen, and that's all in addition to our super battery.
As I understand it, this site powers just about every home in Glasgow, which is tremendous. And of course, offshore wind, onshore wind is very much part of the energy mix going forward. And I think there's a real opportunity for us to build even further on renewables to ensure that we get to net zero by 2050. So I want to thank you for everything that is going on at sites like this. It really is truly magnificent.